Yeah, great guys, welcome back to the H Guy YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove your image in photopea.com. So without wasting much of our time, let's get down to the business of today. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Chrome, then click on photopea.com. So this is actually photopea.com. So after that, next thing you're going to do is to click on your file. Good. But before you click on your file, let me show you something first. I would glad to show you my Instagram app page. So this is actually my page, so you can actually search for the age guy. You can actually search for the age guy. So I am currently in 265, so you can do more. Please follow me now, follow back if you post something reasonable about design. So back to that. So the next place you can actually follow me is the on my page, which is the ish graphics. This is actually one, so you can actually see it here. So let's continue with our stuff. So the next thing I have to do right now is to go back to my photo page. So when you go back to your photo page, click on your file, then you click on open. So when you click on open, you click on file again, then you go to any place you want to remove your image. So let's assume I want to remove this image actually. So good. So this is the image I want to remove actually. So when you're seeing this stuff, you will see file, you will see edit, you will see image, you will see layer, you will see select, you will see filter, and you will see view, you will see many and many. But this one we're actually clicking on select. So when it's click on select, then you remove your PG. So can you see remove PG? Then you click on it. So you're going to wait for it to load. So let's see. So can you see right now? And it nothing happened. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on your file, then you click on save, export as PNG. So when you're done, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on your save. So it's going to download automatically now. So can you see it? Can you, if you notice it, nothing blur there, nothing blur. So can you see it's actually the same as the image itself. So this is how I'm able to remove my BG through photopea.com. So I wish you the best of it. So glad. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share this video. To thank you for watching it now.